Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to efficiently manage project stakeholders on teamwork.com, ensuring your projects run smoothly and effectively. First up, start by adding your stakeholders to your project. This can be done by clicking on the People tab and selecting Add People. Remember, your stakeholders could be anyone who has an interest or influence in your project, so it's crucial to get them on board from the beginning. This helps us to keep everyone in the loop. Now that we've done that, the next step is to ensure clear communication. To do this, use the message feature. You can create a new message, choose your recipients, and write your message. The reason we do this is to ensure that all stakeholders are informed of project updates, changes, and milestones. This creates transparency and fosters trust among team members. Next up, let's manage stakeholder tasks. You can assign tasks to your stakeholders by clicking on the Tasks tab and selecting Add Task. Assign the task to the appropriate stakeholder and set a deadline. This helps us because it clearly outlines their role and expectations, thus minimizing confusion and increasing productivity. Last but not least, it's important to continually monitor and update your stakeholders' involvement by using the Activity feature. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. This feature allows you to track the activity of your stakeholders, including task completion and communication. This is important as it helps you to identify any potential issues early, allowing you to take corrective action before they escalate. To wrap up, managing project stakeholders on teamwork.com is all about clear communication, defined expectations, and continuous monitoring. By following these steps, you'll set your project up for success and ensure your stakeholders are actively and effectively involved. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, effective project management is all about teamwork.